Hello and Happy New Year everyone! Welcome to what I would like to call Series 2, Episode 1 of Stew in Japan. Since it's a new year, I've got a new background, I'm a new man with added facial bum fluff, and I have new video editing equipment. Before, I used to make my video entries using this tiny thing, which meant it took me ages to get anything done, and I couldn't even use high definition footage. But for Christmas, I decided to get myself a nice new Mac so that I could edit these videos more easily. Since I'm using the Mac's webcam to record this, I can't exactly hold it up to show you. Or can I? Ooh, look at that. As some of you may have noticed, I'm a little bit behind on my storytelling. Only about 3 months or so, but that's cool, because over the next few entries, I'm going to do a bit of catching up, starting with this one, which I shall call the October Summary. October 2011 began with a Frisbee tournament in Kumamoto, and as one of the designated drivers, it was my job to take a load of people to Kumamoto, despite this being my first ever long-distance drive. It's 6:15 in the morning. I need to drive to go pick up some people, and then drive really far away to a place that I've never been to before, and I have no idea how to get to. Good morning, Japan!
So we're in the car, we're going to Kumamoto for a Frisbee tournament. Here with Stu. Stewie's driving. What up, Stu?
Yo, what's up?
We got Chad Bro Chill in the back.
Hey.
And we got Kristen Bro Chill in the back.
Hey.
After taking a number of wrong turns because a lot of us were too busy holding our breath through tunnels, we finally made it to Kumamoto, and even then we struggled to find the right place.
Really? Because look, we're coming back around here, whereas we need to be on that green point, I think.
Oh, we do?
Yeah.
Eventually, with the help of my elite team of navigators, we managed to find the beach, and it turned out we were the ones holding up the entire tournament.
Woo!
We made it. Anyway, a fantastic weekend in Kumamoto was to follow, as this video demonstrates.
Over there, there's a plane. Get up close, you can hear the His name is Gucci. Gucci, man.
Me and you?
Me and you.
Right here?
Yeah.
It's pretty romantic.
It's great cabin.
Do you guys
Got proper company. Yes, right meow.
One?
Yeah. Yep.
And just 8. We're at 8. Anybody else?
Dude, this is beautiful though. I mean, we got good company, good friends. We had a good day today. I mean, look at this. This is unbelievable. Beautiful weather. We got a barbecue tonight. Barbecue.
Barbecue.
Can have a proper barbecue.
Proper.
Barbecue.
Following an awesome day of Frisbee and my first ever onsen experience, the Saga jets all snuggled up together in a cozy log cabin.
As instructed, I am now filming this.
I think so.
Everyone join in! Angela looks like she's getting slammed.
Are we joining in?
way there. You're gonna have to deal with the evolution.
I'm gonna join in.
Yo,
Hello?
what's that movie where they talk about someone being their slam piece?
Peter's gonna rape someone. Peter's gonna rape someone.
The gift that gives on giving.
Syphilis.
Man in a suit. Man in a suit. So my next October highlight brings me to a great day out I had with one of my JTEs, or Japanese Teacher of English. The day began with a trip to a nuclear power plant, followed by a botanical garden, a children's play area, oh, and he took me to see this. My JTE then invited me onto his boat so I could try fishing for the first time ever. He set up all the equipment for us, and before I knew it, we were boating majestically into the deep blue. He even let me drive! Within just 5 minutes of dropping my line, I was engulfed by a wave of beginner's luck, and I caught my very first fish.
Ah, sugoi!
No, Stu get. Snappa.
Stu get! Okay.
Nice, my first fish catch.
You are very good fisherman. I have no fish. Stu has 2 fish.
Hey!
In my self-introduction at school, I had admitted in front of my JTE that I can't swim, and that I am what the Japanese call kanadzuchi, which literally means hammer. So naturally, when I heard that my JTE occasionally goes diving to catch fish, suddenly it was a good idea to try that out too.
So, me and June are going to go diving, and it's cold. Yeah. Somewhere, yeah.
寒いね。よし。
でも頑張れ。
頑張れ。Let's go.
Hey!
Ah, you are glove. You are mask.
I must say that this was not one of my brightest ideas, and I was particularly concerned when he strapped weights to me so that I could get down to the seabed more easily. I later spent the night at his house and made merriment with his family.
So Korea is over there.
Yes.
This brings me on to my next October highlight. My neighbour Emily and I were headed to barbecue. So my neighbour Emily and I were driving to Taku for a barbecue one weekend, and our initial mistake was allowing me to navigate whilst driving. I'm not gonna lie, from about 10 minutes ago, I thought we were not on the way to Taku.
Okay.
I really like this area. Following a number of poor directional decisions, we found ourselves in this predicament. I don't think I should go down
I
here.
don't think we should either. I don't think, no, it's too steep. It's too steep. I think it's a walking path.
It's not. It's definitely a car.
Oh my god. We won't be able to get back up it. If there's a dead end, I will murder you.
Okay.
Where are we going? Are we going to the other side of the valley?
Fuck.
That's the road we were on. Up there.
Yeah.
Jeez. Oh no! Shit!
This is a slight issue. We backtracked for quite some time and eventually arrived at the barbecue very late. And then I tried kangaroo for the first time.
Those 2 bits for 3 of you, so you got to share.
This is kangaroo on a stick.
Whoa, what is happening? What is happening?
Hey!
Say some kangaroo.
We're going back over the mountain to Saga, but not into
Oh, so I thought you both left. Ichigo just left.
They're not a package deal. It is really good. Kangaroo. Verdict? Yes. Foaming!
My next October tale brings us to a big gathering of Kyushu ALTs in the city of Fukuoka. The night began with a civilised sit-down meal. Once we had finished eating, we all squeezed ourselves onto a train and headed into the bowels of Fukuoka for some cheeky clubbing.
This way.
Beverages were most certainly consumed. And inebriated pole-related rhythmical undulating ensued. Next thing we know, the party's over, and by Jove had time flown by.
Leaving the club. Oh shit, it's daylight.
Oh, why is it daylight?
What?
Chris and I began our sobering walk back to the bus station.
That is cool. Look at that. This guy's pro. How is he doing that? I don't understand. It's a broom on his hat.
My penultimate October highlight is the Saga scavenger hunt. A number of eager Saga jets battled it out to drive around Saga, taking photos of specific landmarks for points. These landmarks were never easily found, since we were only given riddles in order to find them. There were also a number of bonus point photos, for example, take a photo of a team member on top of a roof, or take a photo of a team member in a rubbish bin. Now, because of my unreliable navigational skills, we ended up starting the hunt an hour late, so from the start we were in it to enjoy ourselves and not to win. Despite this, the day consisted of me driving around and then intermittently stopping and running around to various locations. It was great fun!
Motherfucking running across the road!
One of our locations was a 3,000-year-old tree. Take a look.
We've lost Morgan. Is that it up there?
Yeah.
Wow, 3,000-year-old tree.
Yeah, with a hole in it. It's a holy tree.
Hey! 3,000-year-old tree. Check that out.
You can actually go inside of it too. There's like things
steps.
inside of it.
Contrary to our non-competitive attitude, we made sure that anything that got in our way would be stopped.
Yeah, that's hilarious.
What?
It's like stopped.
What stopped?
The water. They say the water hasn't stopped in 800 years. It's stopped.
Well, we stopped it. As we were quite literally running on a time limit, we took as many photos as we could, and then everybody convened afterwards at a shopping centre in order to find out our scores.
Dude, we're coming. Okay, there's 20 minutes left. We've got loads. We've done pretty well. Hell yeah! Yeah!
We know what that does!
My team ended up in 5th place out of 6 teams, and considering that we started an hour late, I think that's a pretty good outcome.
Love it.
My final October highlight involves some volunteer work a few of us ALTs did in Karatsu. The event was called Circle Time, and we got together and played with some children ranging from the ages of about 1 to about 7, and the aim was to expose them to some English while at the same time letting them enjoy themselves. It was a really rewarding experience, and the children were adorable. Once all the kids and their parents had left, my friend Rock and I were still in silly child fun mode, and we ended up sparring using Rock's newly invented martial art that focused on the power of the hips. So that brings me to the end of my October summary. I really do hope you enjoyed this episode, and I'll be bringing to you my November summary before long. Thanks for watching!
Man in a suit, man in a suit. Look at him, he's a man in a suit. Man in a suit, don't do that. Man in a suit, he's being a prat. No hands, whoa! Shit! Man in a suit, man in a suit. He almost fell off his bike. Suit, man in a suit, man in a suit. Not entirely sure which route he is taking route. Man in a suit.